If you're an Apple user, the first thing you want to do is go into the App Store and search Zoom. Now click on the Zoom Cloud Meeting. The app will begin installing on your screen. If you're on an Android, enter the Google Play Store. Now search the word Zoom and install the Zoom Cloud Meeting. After the install is complete, hit Open. If you're on a computer, visit zoom.us, then click on Join a Meeting. Now enter the meeting ID and click Join. It will automatically begin downloading the program. You can see it on the bottom left of the screen. When the download is complete, click the arrow and open the file. Make sure to enter your name to be verified by the staff members, or you will not be allowed to join the meeting. Once you're in, you will be placed in a waiting room until the host accepts you. Inside the meeting, you have a couple of options. You can mute your audio or turn off the camera. If you click on Participant, you have the option to raise your hand and even vote on motions that are brought up. You can also chat via text to one member or everyone. You can toggle between the speaker's view or everyone in the room. Now, on the phone devices, you also have these options. Just look around to find them. Whether you have wireless or Wi-Fi, make sure you have full bars, or else you'll start experiencing lag and audio cutting in and out. I also included some links at the bottom of the page to other videos that are a little bit longer than this video that might be able to help you if you're still having trouble. Guys, that's it. Y'all take care, and we'll see you at the next meeting.